Welcome to Learning Lad. In this video, we will see how we can set up the Visual Studio Code for writing and executing the Python programs. Now, in order to continue with this video, you need to download and install the latest version of Python, and also you need to set the path environment variable. And after that, you need to download and install Visual Studio Code. I have already made a couple of videos explaining these things. If you want, you can watch them. I'm going to put the link of those videos in the description box and also in the cards, so you can check them out. So now after installing Python and Visual Studio Code, now we can set it up for writing and executing the Python programs. Here I have the Visual Studio Code, so I'm going to open it up. And here, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to save the workspace. So I'm going to click on this file and then I'm going to go to save workspace as. And here in my desktop, I'm going to create a new folder. And let's say VS Code. And I'm going to open this folder. And here I'm going to give the name for my workspace. For example, VS Code workspace. And then I'm going to click on this save. Okay. And after that, I'm going to add a folder to the workspace. So again, I'm going to click on this file. And I'm going to go to add folder to workspace, and it will open up the folder where we have saved our workspace. And here I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to say programs, and then I'm going to select this folder and I'm going to click on this add. Okay, now it will open up this folder, so you guys can see programs. Now the first thing that we do here is select this folder and we will create a Python file. So here I'm going to click on this new file icon, and let us say test.py. So now here we have the test.py file opened. Now the first thing that we do is we will install the Python extension. So we will click on this extension option. If you don't find it, then you can go to view and you can click on these extensions, or you can press Ctrl+Shift+X. So open it up and here search for Python, and the first link that you get is a Python extension which is developed by Microsoft, and click on that and it will give you the details like what are the things you get. Install it. This extension provides the features like IntelliSense, linting, debugging, code navigation, formatting, Jupyter support. We get the snippets, text explorer, and some other features. Wait for the installation to finish. Okay, now this extension has been installed successfully and it has been enabled globally. And now you might see a message in the bottom right corner, and it says linter pylint is not installed. You can click on this install option and you can install it. So it will show you the steps happening in the terminal. You can see that the downloading and installation is happening, and it has been successfully installed. So we're gonna close it. And also here you guys can see a lot of extensions for Python. For example, REPL for Python, it is a real-time Python scratchpad. So whenever you write code, the output will appear automatically. If you want, you can install any of these extensions. For example, Python indent will correct the Python indentation and all this stuff. Now we're gonna come back to the test.py file that we have created, and here we will write a print statement and we will say hello. Now in order to run this program, we have the option of clicking on this run button, which will appear in the top right corner, or we can right click here on the editor and we can click on the run Python file in terminal. And once I do that, I get the output of this program, which is hello here. Now this is the minimal setup that you can do in order to simply write and execute the Python programs. You can install a lot of other extensions which will simplify a lot of stuff. So this is it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next video.